of how you can also start a African folktale channel and you don't know how much to earn or how much potential you can earn from this channel you are about to create. So on my screen right here is a new channel created a few months ago that's already earning over $100 and also have a potential yearly earning of $4,000 and daily from this channel metrics on social blade. This channel actually make up to minimum of $5 per day on each day per views, and this is a recently created channel which you can also start on your own. And in this video I'll be showing you a free guideline how you can also start your own with free tools and also free guidance that I will give to you that you can download for free and follow. And I'll be also sampling different Africa folktale channels so you can also get started and get on track so you can start to make your own money doing this simple strategy. So on my channel right here, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click on subscribe button. I show you guys on how you can make money online, free tools on how you can go ahead and use instead of you making payments. I will also show you the free tools, how to bypass and all that on my channel. So if you like to subscribe, I'll go ahead right now and sample different Africa folktale that you can also use as example and use your own title to make your own video. So the first one I'll be talking is called Cassie's Folktales. So this channel right here is a recently created channel. As you can see, this channel have a 100 plus videos already been uploaded, and these videos are what you can actually go ahead and also create. And you're looking at this channel, oh, what are the popular videos on this channel? So you can also go ahead and recreate such videos on your own new channel and also use this strategy or the storyline, or you can actually just download the transcript to your own AI like ChatGPT, when you can actually refine the script to your own taste and you can go ahead and make similar videos and post to your own channel. And actually, how much do you think this channel is actually giving to you? And I will show you this step by step also in this video. So let's go over to Social Blade where you can actually see the potential amount that this channel is actually making. So also use the latest video for you to also use to make videos. So right now let's go to Social Blade and let's click on this. So on this page right here, it shows that this channel is actually created by 2021, but it was recently started uploading videos on this channel, on this niche. So this channel actually make over $100, and this is the what I use as reference in the beginning clip of this video. So this channel, so this is the second one I'll be talking about. It's called Ifeanyiwa Moonlight Tales. So you can actually see the name is actually a native name, which show that this channel is actually based on Africa tales also, which have only 7 videos. I mean, only 7 videos is just been uploaded, and this channel is actually a very new channel. It just created 4 weeks ago. So 4 weeks ago, channel is already having over thousands of views, and these are what you can actually create it for free using the free tools guideline stacker. And the link is actually in my description box where you can actually go ahead and download and use this stacker also to start for free before to start going for a paid version platform for you to make money. So right here is actually the social base, which is showing us how much this platform, a new platform, 4 weeks old platform, is actually making with 7 videos. So it's actually making up over $900 a monthly earnings. So right here, for a new channel being created, you are earning over $900 already, and there are free tools that are actually can produce you the same videos for you to start earning. So you can see right here, this channel is making over minimum average of $50 every day. And this channel just have only 7 videos, and it is 4 weeks old for uploading content on the channel. So you can actually do this and also go ahead to the third platform that you can also use as a guideline for a beginner who is just planning to start his or her own African folk tales. You can actually see right here, there are videos for you to go ahead and copy the title, copy the script, refine them, and also use similar thumbnail for you on your new channel and see the magic that this will perform. You can also go over to their videos where you can actually check the most recent or the most popular videos where you can actually use their own scripts to generate your own new script to your channel. And I'll be also checking up how much this channel can actually be making with such content on this platform. You can actually see there are different These are just picture loading scripts that you can actually just go ahead and download this picture on your own free platform. I'll be showing you in my documents and use it to make money. So how much is this channel making? This channel is making up to over 3,000 grand. Over $3,000 is already, this channel is earning that, and averagely over $100 every day. So this is what you can do. You go ahead to a free AI, you generate a free picture, you combine them up with your own a video editor. So for using video editor, you combine those pictures together to make the scripts. You align the script together, and this is actually way that you can make you over $100. And this is what exactly this channel was doing. So right here is a new channel called Presby Story Time. So this actually show that this is a native name, and these people are actually talking about the Africa folk tales, where you can actually go ahead and you can see the recent video uploaded on this channel, which showing that these videos actually have some emotional, and some people who are outside the country will actually have interested and see what this script is about. So you can also go ahead and copy the script, use it on your own new platform, and this platform has have over hundreds of videos that you can actually use for yourself. So how much is this African folktales channel is actually making? Let's go ahead and check. You can see over $800 already. This channel is making averagely $10 per day, and making around $50 sometimes. And this channel does not upload videos every day, which means that you need to just upload a quality storytelling on your channel. You don't need to upload every day. You upload a quality script on your channel, which can make you over $800 every day. So right here, I will go down, I'll go and show you the free starter guide and show you on how you can also start to earn up to this $975 every day. So right here is a PDF of what I've put together and what I've used on my own Africa folktales that have worked for me. So I'll show you guys the story creation scripting, which I use ChatGPT, which is actually free. So I use it to create my own folktale scripts, and also use it to create engaging storylines, and also use it to develop character background and plot twist. So you can also use Gemini, which is also free. So it's used for to create a story generation, or Africa creator prompt. So you create a Africa folktale creator prompt that you can use on ChatGPT, Gemini, and Clouding. So what about image and visual creation, which is what people are actually just thinking about? Do I have to pay to make the image and visual creation? Yeah, they're actually paid one, and they're also free one. So in this guideline, I'll be showing you the free one. You can actually use Bing Image Creator, Microsoft Designer, Meta AI, Learn.ai, and actually forgot to put Grok. You can actually, yes, a Grok, yes, you can generate image from this, which is unlimited, and you can use this to actually create a story. So these are the free tools that beginner can use for you to get started to create image and scripts. So what about audio? How do you generate audio for free? So let's scroll down and let me show you on how you can also go ahead and use a free AI tools to also generate a free voiceover on your African folktale story. So after you generate from AI, you already have your image being prepared. So what next for you is actually how to do a free design task. So you design your script, so you edit it with Canva, whether your thumbnail, or you use a clip drop, which is also can also remove background for images. So there are some images you may not like the background, you have to remove them and replace them. So you can use Canva as your editing to design the story for you, to make sure you use the African template that is available. So for the video creation and animation, you can use CapCut, which is for free, or you use Flow Clip, which is also a free, and also we can also use a Clipchamp, which is an online video editor, or Davison Resolve. This is also a software that is actually free for you to edit your videos. And for free animation tools right here, we have tools that are actually on free trial that you can actually use for some limited time for you to have results and post on your channel. Maybe there is one that you log in every day, and one that you have access every 24 hours, or a credit that you can use within a free month. So these are the free animation tools that you can also use. So let's go over to audio and voiceover. So for audio and voiceover, you actually have 11 labs which have over free plan that have 10,000 characters for monthly free, and there are some logic way for you to bypass the 10,000 characters, which means you having a different email address and all that. So, and also is specified, which is also a free voiceover for you. So, for free audio resources where you can actually put an audio and a background of a video, you can go ahead and use YouTube Audio Library or other listed free audio resources provided on this. So, all in one resources is actually one called faceless video, which is limited free, which means it is automated content creation. So you put it put directly to your YouTube. So you can go ahead and check out all these websites for you to see the one that work perfectly for you. And I also recommend some at the end of this guideline. And you can also go ahead and download this if you need to read it properly. The link is already in my description. So go ahead, click on it and check up. So step by step on free workflows for you. Phase one is the story development, where you start ChatGPT, while phase two is visual creation, where you can use a Bing image creator or Microsoft. While four is video assembly, where you import everything into CapCut, you create and edit and everything. And while five is optimization, where you create a caption thumbnails with Canva. And also these are the proven content ideas for African stories. We have popular formats. You can see the different titles, why it is so to be. So different titles that you can actually start with, and these are also trendy topics, which is love story with moral lesson, tales of wisdom and cunning, and stories about community and family, adventure of medical creatures, legend of African heroes and heroes. So these are the important success tip also, is that you create a quality requirement. Avoid adding creating so many contents. So make sure you focus on storytelling quality over quantity. So this guideline is actually what has helped me out on my folktales channel, and this will continue to earn me so much money on this channel. So right here, I'll recommend this right here to a beginner. So for a beginner, bet free start plan for his beginner is that you can start your script with ChatGPT plus African folktale prompt, which you generate from ChatGPT. Image, you can use Microsoft Designer plus Canva. While voice, you can use 11 Labs, the free trial, and video editor, you can use CapCut. And for music, you can get it from YouTube Audio Library. For if you are interested in getting this document, it is free, it's not paid. I'll put the link for you to just go ahead and download it and also review it. So these are the free tools and websites for African stories that I've worked on right on. So if you have gained value in my video, please go ahead and subscribe and also comment your opinion and all that, and you can let's go ahead and make money together.